Okay, here's a video of a 25-inch tether boat from about 1940. It was a kit. It was called the Marlin. It was made by a company in Berwyn, Maryland, I think it was. Anyways, 25 inches long. It was a kit. It's relatively rare. Very few of these are left around. This one was built, but it was a mess. So I restored it. I took the engine out. It's Olsen and Rice 23. Took it out, cleaned it all up, polished it up, polished up the flywheel, cleaned everything, cleaned the interior. The restoration video will be on here too. Whoever did this originally did a good job. The motor's free, spins, everything else. It probably would start or run. Everything's polished up, works fine. He actually made a windshield for it, whoever built this originally, and it was clever the way he did the brass and everything else. I just took it all apart, cleaned it, polished it, and everything else. Now I added the pinstriping and the number 4, and let's see, also Olsen and Rice sticker. Polished everything up. Had to make this hatch. It was missing. This one's original. Gets to the rudder assembly. I painted the bottom green gold water line. Now it's pretty clever what he did. There's the ignition switch there on and off. Now he made a lever here. It moves back and forth. It's really clever. It ties into the rudder, so you can turn the rudder. Now to get to it, you take this off. You can see inside. I don't know if you can or not. See how it's pretty clever the way he did it. And then this is for the battery, for the ignition system. Anyway, it's a pretty clever boat. It's really nice. 25 inches long. It's pretty big. And then there's I reattached the rudder, polished up all the brass and everything else, cleaned it all up real nice. You can see it. See. Made a custom stand for it. Everything's all polished up inside. Big brass flywheel. Turns real nice and free. There's the switch. Off and on switch. It's wired up. There's no condenser hooked into it, so it's just going straight off the battery box right to the ignition. This is like the advancing and retarding lever here. I don't know if it works or not, who knows, but it makes a hell of a display piece. Anyway, there it is. It's 25 inches long from about 1940. It was a kit called the Marlin from the oh Jesus, I'm going to have to look it up. It was made in Berwyn, Maryland anyway. And there you go. I'm putting this online because there isn't any information on this stuff. So the more videos and stuff I can get online, the more information's out there. And help find and restore these boats, because tether boats are rare. Tether cars are all over the place, but the boats are rare. And they're going to be worth a lot of money soon, once people realize just how rare these are. Anyway, thanks for all your kind comments about my boats. See you at R-CCRAFT.com. If you got a boat you want restored, send me an email at rbojck@gmail.com, and just send me a picture of what you got and what you need, and I'll get back to you. Thanks. Have a happy day.